This is Selman347 playing some Minecraft, and we're playing Colony Wars, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So now, Simplecraft. I like this texture pack. And now today, if you've played Colony Wars, you'll understand. But today, when people build towers, I'm gonna go destroy them, the cinder block, so they can't use it, and it's gonna be hilarious. I've done this previously, and it's super funny, and it's gonna some people overreact, and we'll just watch some people, but it's honestly fun. It's funny and fun. This is my, I think, third Colony Wars video, so it should be fun. Missed it. But I like the parkour course at the beginning because it's like sometimes even more fun than the game. It's actually fun and challenging. And I'm gonna use my mouse right now. Just got this 2 weeks ago. My first mouse. I used to use my trackpad. Just an air mouse. But yes, people's reactions are so funny. Yeah, this is awkward. Never mind. That first part's always hard, and then like I don't know. This part's hard, and this part's tough. And this part's kind of hard, but not as hard. And this part's pretty easy. I can never get this part though, if I can even stay on. Okay, game starts in 10 seconds. My mouse is good to go. And we're just gonna be destroying blocks. It's gonna be hilarious. Okay. So I'm a peasant, which kind of sucks because I get nothing. And now when everyone goes and gets stuff, I will be going to the place and just destroying the blocks. I once did this with farms, and people starved to death and my team lost. And it was so fun because everyone just got so mad at me. They didn't even know it was me though. It's the funny part. Just wait till blacksmith and lumber only. Okay. I'll build 2 sets of walls just to get them mad. Just place them all around here. Just block them off. That's pretty good walls. That looks pretty dang sexy right now. Oh crap, I left one open. No, another one. Another one. Okay, so there it is. We built a couple walls. Now we have 5,000. Let's build more walls while we're at it. Ooh, lots of people getting mad. Okay, so let's see. He's gonna want to put down a block, and I'm just gonna cut it up. It's gonna be hilarious. Where'd he go? I think he just disconnected. That's awesome. Put up again. Let's start building back. Oh, too bad. That's too bad. Okay, now back. I'm just gonna lock these people in. Let's do this. It should auto do it. Get in the middle. Oops, I'm off with my walls. I did not notice that. Let's make it a maze. Okay, so he just bought a blacksmith. Let's go destroy this blacksmith. Let's see, really sneak up behind him. And I'll chop down these two. Peasant, because I have a good axe to chop everything down. Why not use it? Okay, he's building the blacksmith. Now he's gonna walk away inside the walls while I destroy it. Very cool. Once that thing pops up, I'm out of here. There it is. Goodbye. Wow, they built a farm. Now, just watch the comments below. And just watch people get haywire when they try to enter and there's nothing in there. I'm watching him. You can't upgrade any stuff. What are you doing? Let's build a wall on top of him. Dude, what? I don't know what I did. Let's go destroy the farm now. Secretly coming from right there. Oh, I'm off. He's on me. That's funny. There's no farm now. Let's build a wall right here so they can't come in, and right there. This is gonna be funny. And that. Let's close this gap up. Let's close this gap up. Oh, build a church. Oh, they went right there. Let's close it up again. Let's see where the new farm's going. This is gonna be funny. What you do is you jump in here, all the bears and stuff. I did not know that. Where is the altar? Should be around here somewhere. Yeah, perfect right here. That's not up here. As that thing comes up, I am just destroying. I just destroyed it. They're pissed now. And now they're like, what? Whatever is that thing? What the F? In my other game, I wasn't recording. It was so funny. These people just went so mad at me. I'm just chopping. They want to kick someone else just for my actions. Yeah, I'm getting all the money. Oh, we pitched the blacksmith. Let's go destroy this one. Yeah, let's see, where are they gonna put it? Me? Cannot run. Oh, I need food. I probably shouldn't have broken that one until I got food. Let's see where they're putting it. I can't spend. This is gonna be funny though. They're building one right here. Oh my god. I'm gone. You choose. What the hell? What? It wasn't me. Nice. I'm gonna build a wall in front of this so no one can get in. There it is. Oh, oh. There it is. You fucking can't reload it. Ooh, that's too bad. Our town hall is so defended. Thanks to me. Oh wow, I forgot to destroy the mage tower. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna go destroy it. Lead, go get all the money, that's fine. Oh yeah. We had it. That sucks. I'm actually good at getting money though. I get all the money. You mean yourself? Yeah, a cloaker would be good for this. So they can be invisible and stuff. Oh, that'd be so legit. I get paid for everything. Also with the church, that was all me, but you know, just let them do the blame game. I need food. Way to blame it all on me. You broke it. Yeah, you're funny. Actually, yeah, I'll just get all the walls so no one can buy anything. block them in, I wish. Just hold it down. Build all the walls I can build. Make it dense. I actually like this game. I like this game too, but you know, sometimes it's fun just to mess around. I don't get like hit or something. I'm a little lagging. Oh, I once died in there. Am I in the? Oh crap, I'm not on that team. Shit. Ah, you're funny. You build walls in front of them. Crap, I died. That was awesome, though. Look at all these walls I built. Woo! What a fun game. Anyways, thanks guys for watching, and peace.